Can you explain a little bit more about the science as to why this actually works in our brains and the whole rest of our bodies?
Yeah. So when we look at why ketogenic diets work, we again, this has been used in epilepsy for a very long time, and it's the best studied diet. We really kind of understand a lot of the mechanisms that are involved. We don't understand all of them, of course. There's great research, really interesting and exciting research going on to try to figure out the rest of the pieces, but um, they they are pleiotropic. So a ketogenic diet provides pleiotropic effects. And all that big word means is just that it doesn't just do one good thing, it does many good things, and it does it in a synergistic way with one another. That I think medications just can't touch because those are touching like one or two kind of pathway that throws everything else off. So ketogenic diets. So the way that I think about ketogenic diets and the effects on brains, I tend to use these four areas: brain hypometabolism, neurotransmitter imbalances, oxidative stress, and neuroinflammation. And that's my grounding. But you could really go on in all these different directions about what ketogenic diets do. I got to tell you, I got a great one to tell you. So I was at the eighth global symposium for ketogenic therapies in San Diego, and I was playing around in the poster sessions, reading all the posters, and I came across this poster that I got really excited about. um we always talk about ketones like it's the ketones, it's the ketone level, and there is a correlation between ketone level and symptom improvement that we're beginning to see in some of these studies. I think that matters, but there's other pleiotropic effects, and this is one of them. So this guy had a poster where he was using, I believe it was fMRI, it was an MRI, and he was looking at the level of glutathione specifically in the brain in ketogenic populations, and he found a 7 to 14 fold increase in glutathione production in the brain in ketogenic populations.